Welcome to another episode of Mixology Monday, where every Monday we introduce a new cocktail. It's been a crazy week for us, getting over the holidays and through the new year. So we for lack of better time, we're going to keep this drink fairly simple today. We are doing the Cuba Libre today.
No, because we don't even have limes to do a Cuba Libre.
Oh,
It's literally a rum and coke.
We're doing a rum and coke. So for today's drink, we need Coke, and rum.
Nice. If you want, or you can do it without us.
Caroline's going to be using our spiced Carolina rum. I will be using the Silver Carolina Rum. Both these rums are available for sale in your local liquor store. If you don't see us in your local store, please ask for us. We also have our rum for sale in the distillery, which is open every Saturday at 1, 2, and 3 o'clock for tours. So, pretty simple. Crack this can open. Pour some rum in. 2 ounces of rum.
We're not even measuring today. It's a free-for-all.
And some Coke. Mix that lightly.
With your finger? Spiced rum.
That is a nice addition to the
Spiced? Going with some
rum and Coke.
I don't know the last time I had a regular Coke. Usually go for diet.
Why didn't you use that? Oh, we don't have any here, do we? Alright, so that's
Somebody got a little lazy on the Muddy River Mixology
Yeah,
today.
we're lazy. All that lack of work. I wish that was the excuse. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Cheers.
Cheers. Have a great week.
Hey, simple yet effective. I think this is how the rest of my night's going to turn out.
So, if you want a drink and you only have a few items at your house,
you can make it work. And I'm sure you could dig through one of these Muddy River Mixology Mondays to find some other options. We try to keep it fairly simple on most of our cocktails. All right, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Recipes in the description below. You can find our website down there and our links to social media. Comment, like, and subscribe. And cheers.
Cheers again. Don't mind if I do.
All right. My babysitter's going to be waiting for us. Better work. I can definitely make that work.
Turtle. It's January and 70 degrees and humid outside. That's why my hair looks like this.
My hair was straight.
Look like?
All right, let's knock this out.